Precious, my lotion is not active. I added a lot of serums, is not active. I added oil, yet it's not active. My customers are complaining. I'm tired of this business. Don't worry yourself, okay? I think this video, like this particular video, is gonna solve your problem. Let me just put it that way. Okay, so if you're passing through that, your product not being active, most especially your lotion, most especially when you when you produce your base from scratch, guys, it takes active ingredient, like active ingredient, for it to be active. So if you are making your base from scratch, or you're buying base outside, and no matter what you pour inside is not active, is not active, if you pour a lot of things, it end up giving white patches and all that. So on this video, guys, I'm gonna make review about this strong whitening serum that I'm using for years, and is perfectly okay for me. Okay, and it does not give white patches, does not give any reaction at all. It's very, very okay depending on how you use it. Use it in the right way, you're gonna get a right result. If you use it in the wrong way, you get a wrong result. That is just it. But on this video, I'm going to explain to you, okay? I'm going to make a review about this, and also give you few things that you can add to it. Let me just say that I'm giving you a recipe. This video is all about whitening, ingredients that you can use to make a whitening lotion. Okay, let's just call it that way. Let's just say it that way. Okay, so but before that, if today is your first time of stopping by, hi, Precious here, you're highly welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification, so YouTube will let you know each time we upload video. It's very, very important. Okay, at least each time we upload video, you don't have to come to my channel to search for my page, to search for new videos. YouTube is gonna notify you immediately. Okay, it's very, very important, and it will be easier for you. Okay, so this is the serum I'm gonna talk about, guys. I know most of you, in fact all of you, know about this serum, but what matters is how you use it. Guys, you might get a serum that is very active, concentrate that is very, very active, but the way you use it, it might end up not being active. So the way you use your concentrate matters as well. Okay, so the concentrate I'm talking about, these are pigment dose. Okay guys, this pigment dose serum is 10 in 1. Yeah, is small but mighty, and some people think it bleaches the skin. Guys, pigment dose does not bleach the skin. Okay, pigment dose help to activate your lotion. So if you are scared of making a base from scratch just because you don't have a right concentrate that you can use to boosting the lotion, don't worry. Okay, only thing you need to do is just watch this video to the end and smash the like button. That's if you want this recipe to work for you. Smash the like button, most of it all, turn on your post notification. This pigment dose, guys, this helps a lot to whitening up the skin. It helps to treat skin like dark spots on your skin. It helps to fade away dark spots, edge spots. Guys, it's very, very active, but it does not treat stretch mark. Okay, I am not sure about it. I've never, because it's a whitening. I don't believe that a whitening concentrate can treat stretch mark. I don't believe it exists. I don't believe it's possible. Okay, I'm just saying my mind. So if it works for you for that, good and fine, but me, I don't believe it's possible. Okay, so this concentrate helps a lot whitening up your skin in a healthy way. Okay, so you adding this into your raw organic base will boosting the base, and also give you this good color. And because this will help to boosting the base, does not mean you should go and pack the whole pack inside. But the only thing I'm going to tell you is that instead of you using that bata tube, koji clear tube that is meant for knuckle, it's far better you go for pigment dose. Okay, using those, yes, if you use a if you use pata to activate your natural base, it's gonna whitening, but 50-50. Yeah, it will whiten you. At the end of everything, if it's for you, it's manageable. But if you're to sell it out, definitely it must give some stretch mark. Yes, is a must. It must give some stretch mark or green vein or white patches. Okay, so it's not advisable to use pata pata tube. It's meant for knuckle, so it's not advisable to use pata pata tube to produce your base or to produce your lotion, or because it's a natural base. Okay, and for most of you that prefer buying base out there just because you don't want to make your own base or you don't know how to do it, yeah, we train people on how to make base or any skincare this thing, formulator, everything. Okay, and I'm just here to tell you that making your base from scratch is far better. Like, it's 100% better than buying your base. Guys, let me just tell you the secret. Most of all these organic raw material sellers are mixing carotene, all this affordable tube, all this affordable lotion, all this cheap lotion. They are mixing it, add their another fragrance and give to you as organic base. JJC, you will not know. Anti JJC, you will not know. Okay, so buying base outside is risky because you must end up buying you might end up buying Caro White as your base. So it's just 50-50. But when you're making a base from scratch, number one, you're gonna make enough base that, you know, times 3 of what you got out there. Okay, you're gonna make enough base that would, you know, you use for a lot of production. Okay, and you benefit from it, gain and every other thing. And the most of it is that you will know what you use to make that base. Like, you will know if you know everything you use to make that base. If there's any complaint, you know where you're coming from. If you're giving out your product, if you're advertising your product, you advertise it with pride. You're advertising that you're 100% sure about the product, not that is not business. Okay, so if you want to train with somebody you knew that, you know, with the lead to, you know that, yeah, the person will be able to give me what exactly I want. Okay, nobody is perfect. I am not perfect. Nobody is perfect, but we are trying our best. Okay, that is just it. So this concentrate, guys, if you want to use it to make your whitening lotion, you are good to go. Okay, if you're making 1 kg, this is good to go. Okay, this is very active. Then you add other concentrate like glutathione, superfalt concentrate is very good. It helps to whitening up the skin in a healthy way. Glutathione superfalt concentrate is not a concentrate you can use to produce a product that will whiten your skin in 5 days, because it's going to disappoint you. That is not the purpose of that concentrate. It's helped to whiten up your skin gradually and, you know, give you that glowing. And most of it all, glutathione superfalt helps a lot to fade away dark spots. Very active on that. Okay, so it's very perfect, and advise you go for it. If you're using this glutathione superfalt and this inside it, guys, you are good to go. And add anti-reaction is very important, because definitely you might give the lotion out to, you know, someone that have a sensitive skin, and definitely the person is a must that the person must react to it because it's active. You understand? Okay, so add anti-reaction in all your product is very important. Like, it's very important, not only preventing stretch mark and all that, but it's also gonna help to, if at all the person has a stretch mark or green vein on the skin, your product will help to get rid of it. Or don't you like better thing? You don't like it when your customer be like, I have stretch mark, but when I start using your product, I discover that it's going. Don't you like it? Must they complain that your product gave me stretch mark? Is that a good review? So please be conscious of what you are producing. So if you want to make a whitening lotion with your natural base, you are good to go with this pigmentose and glutathione superfalt. Then you can go ahead and add oil boosting, like booster that you can use to boosting it. Okay, you can go ahead and add oil for the glowing. Then you can go ahead and add natural secret oil into it. Guys, you are good to go. It's not a must you pour all the serums in the market before you can make a good product, before you can make a perfect product. And for most of you that are using 3 different bases to make one production, I just say sorry to you, because I don't think you want seeing that, you know, customer patronizing you today, still coming back next tomorrow with another person. I don't think you love it, because if you like it, you're not going to use different type of base, and at the end of everything, you're going to add whitening ingredients as well, like serums and all that. Kilo Shelle, what is going on? Must in fact, I don't even want to talk. I'm in a good mood today. So please and please, if you want to make your product, be sure of what you are doing. Okay, and with this pigment dose, glutathione super forte, then any oil booster that you have, like half cast oil, you are good to go. Natural secret, the oil is good, it's just for whitening and treat the skin. Then remember to add anti-reaction, the ones that you feel like it works more better for you. Okay, and you add your fragrance, any fragrance of your choice. Stop using strong fragrance, it's not good to the skin. Stop using strong fragrance. Then remember to add your propylene glycol to make the product to penetrate right to your skin, and add your preservative. You can use Germa Plus and any other preservative that I think works for you. Okay, so with this recipe, guys, you are good to go. You're perfectly good to go. It's not a must you pour thousands of serums. You are wasting your money, risking your customer skin, chasing your customers, doing a lot of things at the same time. Okay, so please and please follow this step. Okay, it's not a must you pour thousands of serums. That is not the solution, guys. When you pour different type of serum, that is when you start having white patches. I've experienced it. Okay, so most of you that will be like, I get this lotion but it's not giving me what I want, so I decided to add this. Definitely you're gonna get white patches. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video, and I know you guys love this video, so go ahead and subscribe, smash the like button, share with your friends or family, turn on your post notifications so YouTube will let you know each time we upload video. You guys know I love you, and let me know under the comment section the next video you want me to draw for you. I'm here for you. Love you guys. Bye.